Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're using Halo 4 and it comes across a fatal error crash while playing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Disk Cleanup. Best result should come back with Disk Cleanup. Go ahead and open that up. Select Cleanup System Files. And then you want to select OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Select Delete Files. And now you also want to open up the Start menu, type in Performance. Underneath Settings, there should be an option that says Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Go ahead and left click on that. So while you're playing a game on your computer, I would suggest setting it to adjust for best performance and then select Apply and OK. So you can change it back when you're not, playing games, but it should be more responsive when you set it as such, like how I just did. Another thing you can do when you're also playing games like Halo, if you open up your computer, type in Power Options. Best match should say Power and Sleep Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Underneath Related Settings, go ahead and left click on Additional Power Settings. Another thing I recommend doing would be to set it to High Performance. So if it's at the Balanced or Power Saver, switch to High Performance whether you're on desktop or laptop. And then once you made that selection, just save it and then close out of here. Restart your computer, and then hopefully that error message should go away at that point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.